Okay, this was a good choice for Soulja Boy. He removes all consoles from SouljaWatch.com. Let's get it. This is Jordan Tower with JT News. Hit that bell, hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, okay? Well, Soulja Boy was just claiming he's not scared of Nintendo and that nobody can stop him from selling consoles, blah, say, blah. He wants to get into the music video game. The only way he should get into the music video game is if he creates an original console or takes the consoles that are sold on Alibaba. They're not his consoles. They're Chinese consoles. There's nothing wrong with reselling them. Drop shipping is a popular thing. Everybody does it. The only problem is Soulja Boy is famous, so they know that there's money there to go after. They just sued a couple selling ROMs just a few months ago, and they got awarded. They sued them for $100 million and got $12 million from this couple. Who knows if they paid out, but they won in court. So this couple was selling ROMs and out of like somewhere in the United States. I think they were in New Mexico or some Arizona, somewhere in there. Anyways, they were sued, and Soulja Boy could be sued because it's not the consoles, it's what's on the consoles. The consoles come with like 500 games. The ROMs, okay, they're copies of games. The only way a ROM is legal is if you own the game. Like you can make a copy of a game if you own a game, but you can't. Like it's very clear on their copyright website. And Nintendo, Soulja Boy was making so much noise off of this. Of course, it's Soulja Boy's getting into the video game world. Or, you know, attempting to, and then the Soulja Watches, those have been around forever. Those are just regular copies of Apple Watches. Apple is not going to go after Soulja Boy for that because it doesn't have the software on it, which makes an Apple Watch is this operating system, okay? Those watches are garbage. I've had them, I've sold them before. I mean, they're not garbage, but like compared to an Apple Watch, they're garbage. They still work. They make calls, you get texts, get all that good stuff on them. They're just not as good as an Apple Watch. They're not going to like track your heart rate. They're not going to work with other apps. They're not going to work with, you know, they're not going to turn your lights on and off and everything. They're pretty basic. It's a basic phone. I sold them before Apple Watch came out. I had cellphonewatchshop.com, okay? And, you know, I did very well with them because there was nothing on the market like it yet. But once Apple Watch came out, I took the site down. I'm stupid. Okay, Apple Watch, you can't sell, you know, a bullshit watch for $400 anymore. You know, Soulja Boy selling for $20. I was selling them for $300-$400, and they weren't worth that back then because they didn't exist. Okay, they didn't exist in the marketplace, but now they're everywhere. Anyway, so Soulja Boy is scared of Nintendo. They must have reached out, and you know, if you usually respond to what they want, they probably won't go after you legally because he didn't sell that many consoles. He claims he sold 5 million consoles. Come on, bro. Stop. He actually said that. Like, I could see him selling maybe, like, he probably sold 200 consoles, 100 to 200 consoles. Most people aren't going to pay that much for a console. He was charging, like, 120, 150. You know, for $100 more, you can get a Switch, basically. You know, a Switch is what, $300? You know, it's like most people are gonna get that. Anyways, guys, what do you guys think about this? I mean, you know, Soulja Boy did the right thing. He said I had to boss up. I had no choice. Hey, that's good. Focus on the music. I hope he comes back with I hope he gets another hit record, man. Honestly, I mean, you know, Soulja Boy, man. He was a trendsetter. He isn't so much right now, but he could be again. You know, it's just that, you know, I feel like he got into addictions and everything, but I think he'll be fine. You know, he was deep into the entertainment industry, and yeah, that can happen. I can't blame him. You know, you don't know. Everyone's different. My addiction was food always. You know, I was just lucky I wasn't addicted to any substances. I never did anything like that, really. So. But everyone's different. I can't fault another man for that unless it's like totally reckless. And he doesn't have any kids or anything. You know, it's just like, I like Soulja Boy, man. I want to see him win, at least with music, you know, something, you know? Anyways, guys, he's winning. I'm just saying, win more. You know, he probably still makes $1 million a year just off of royalties, to be honest. Anyways, guys, this is Jordan Tower with JT News. Hit that bell, subscribe, and I'll hit you on the next one. Hit that thumbs up button.